I'm not gonna kill you.
Hey guys, getting right into this Joker Halloween look, I went ahead and put some color contacts in. I have some blue color contacts on, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and prime the face. I used the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil for this. Going right into my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Peach, and I literally just put this all over my face. Look, that's a heart for you. So I went ahead and used that just to really lighten up my face and give me that really Joker white out kind of face.
I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Now going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Whiteout. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the face exactly where you would highlight any other day, underneath the eyes, underneath the eyes, on the chin, down the bridge of the nose, the forehead. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know what's good. That is what I'm doing. So go ahead and do that and blend it out. This is a really good look for you guys if you don't know what you want to be for Halloween and you don't have that much time. This is so easy, guys. It literally does not have to be perfect at all. You guys know the Joker is not perfect and his makeup isn't either, so you guys can be a little messy with this. Don't stress. You guys can do this. 1, 2, 3, easy, quick Halloween costume done. So just keep this in mind. If you're rushing, you don't know what to be, this is perfect for you. So go ahead and just blend your little heart out.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Alright, you guys, now going in to some RCMA No Color Powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the whole face with this powder. You don't want anything to move, so you definitely want to set the whole face. Alrighty guys, going in to the fun part, we're gonna go in with our BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette. This, I'm gonna be taking that blue shade right there, and I'm going to start mimicking the look of a Joker. So he has one eye that has slightly of a smaller triangle than the other eye. So for this one, I'm just taking it to that point, and I'm gonna be going in with this lighter shade first, but then I do transition to a darker shade so I can deepen up that triangle underneath. So right here, I'm just gonna go in with that normal blue shade, and then right here in a couple seconds, you will see me move into a darker shade and kind of deepen up that triangle. This is a very, see right here, so I'm deepening up that triangle with that little bit of darker shade. This is a very simple look, guys. You don't have to be very precise with this. This is very easy, and you can be messy with this. Everything's gonna work. It's gonna come out nice either way. So right here, I'm just doing that. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Metallic Shadow and Cream by Estee Lauder. This is in the shade 06 Wild Cosmo. So it's just kind of like a dark navy color, and I'm going in with the pigment because it's a double duo metallic pigment with cream. I'm going to be going in with the pigment side and just deepening up that shadow on the triangle. Now I'm going to go back in to the BH Cosmetic palette again and just create the other triangle. This will be a little bit of a longer triangle than the other one. I'm going to be saying triangle so much, so just take a shot every time I say triangle. So right here, I'm just pretty much dragging it down a little bit lower than the other triangle. Go ahead and take a shot. So right here, I'm just dragging it down. Pretty self-explanatory, nothing too difficult. And then in a little while, you will see me take that darker blue and shade it in as well as take the Estee Lauder pigment and just shade inside the triangle as well. There you go. Take another shot.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Alrighty guys, now going into the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Into the Blue. I'm just pretty much putting that where those triangles are. So I'm just putting it right inside to give it a little bit more of a glow, a little bit more of a glitter, because we want to still be a little glam. We are a Joker, but we're still a glam cute Joker, okay? Alrighty guys, now going back into the BH Cosmetic palette, I'm taking that light blue and I'm kind of creating a halo eye with this. I'm taking it in the inner and outer quarters of my eyes. This does not have to be perfect, guys. This is literally such an easy look and easy eye look. Anybody can do it. So you can just put that right in the inner and outer corner of your eye, deepening it up as much as you want. And I'm going to go ahead and use the shade right next to the blue that we just used to deepen up those corners and really just give it a little bit of depth. So right here, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm also going to be going in with the Estee Lauder pigment to really help me deepen up those inner corner and outer corners, just to give it a little dimension, you know. So right here is where I take that Estee Lauder pigment and I just deepen it up on the inner and outer corner of my eye. Just remember, leave that middle lid empty because we will be putting glitter there. Going in with a little bit of the dark shade in the palette, just mixing up those two shades and just deepening up those inner and outer corners of the eye, of course, as I was doing earlier. Alrighty guys, now I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer to really prime my eyes for this glitter that we're about to apply. I'm going in with the NYX Glitter in the shade 05 and just putting it on the center of my eyelid to just give it that little extra glow, that little extra glam, you know. So right here, that's all I'm doing. And then right now, I didn't do this on camera, but I went ahead and used the NYX pigment in 05, which was a blue pigment. You'll see it right here. And I just deepened it up the inner and outer corners to really blend in that glitter. And now I'm going to be going in to the triangles on the tops of my brows. So I'm going to be covering up my brows within these triangles. I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Bright Cream. These are in the color Blueprint. So with this cream, I'm literally drawing a line underneath my brow and then creating the triangle from there so I can really cover up the brow with this cream. If you really pack this cream on there, you can definitely cover up your brows. You guys already know I have really dark haired brows, so I definitely went ahead and covered my whole brow with just this cream alone. I didn't need to use any glue or anything, so that worked perfectly. Very simple, that way you don't have to do the whole covering your brow routine with some glue, you know, it's a lot. So right here, I'm literally just covering it up with this Vivid Cream. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the Estee Lauder cream part, not the pigment, but the cream, and kind of deepening up that shade of blue because I felt like it was a little too light. Now I'm going into my Christy Ligon X Urban Decay palette, and I'm going into the shade Leo. I'm pretty much just using this as a highlight for that triangle. You can go in with any highlight that works for that. I just really love that color and it really gives it that shine. Now I'm gonna go into a vivid bright color again, but this is in the color Cyber Pop, and I'm gonna start creating the little brows that the Joker has. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just kind of creating a little, I don't even know what it looks like a sperm, I guess, sperm brow. Hey, that's my brother. Hey, he's getting it. Backing it out, backing it out. I'm dead. Anyways, just keep on going and creating that. And now I'm gonna jump right in and do the other triangle on the other brow. Doing the same exact steps. Can you see my little dog in the back? Anyways, you literally are doing the same exact steps, but just making this triangle a little bit shorter than the other one. That's the only difference, guys. So it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just let you watch. Now we are going to be creating the clown nose, just pretty much doing a little circle on your nose, nothing too crazy, but I am going to be going in to the NYX Vivid Bright Cream again in the color Cyber Pop. So just pretty much cover your whole nose with this, and then in a little bit I will be going in with a little bit of NYX primer, the glitter primer. And I'm just going to be covering up the nose with a little bit of the NYX glitter that we used on our eyes, just to give it a little bit of glow, you know, a little bit of glam, just a little something, something. Now we're going to go ahead and move into the lips. So I'm going to be using the Studded Kiss lipstick by Kat Von D in the shade Gold Blooded. And I'm just going to create the smile on my lips. Oh my god, I dropped the lipstick while I was reading it. If you heard that, that's what it was. So right here, I'm just pretty much creating that smile, you know, that Joker smile with the lipstick, extending it out. I do just pretty much follow my lips and just extend it out from there, but then I decide to make it a little bit lower than my lower lip. So you'll see that all happen right here.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Alrighty guys, now that I look all crazy and you know, Joker vibes, we're gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. I just sprayed the lashes with a little bit of this green hairspray that I'm putting into my hair just to give them a little bit of color. And now I'm just spraying this all throughout my hair to really give me that green Joker hair. It is a little bit messy and I suggest you do this outside because this spray can literally intoxicate you like it does me. So right now I'm just gonna go in with some green makeup. This is in the color green and I'm just gonna put this all throughout my hair. I'm gonna start combing it through my hair just to really give me that green slicked back hair look. And of course, I did change my shirt to a more jokery kind of fit to it. This is literally my brother's shirt, so you can literally use whatever you have in your closet, guys. You don't gotta waste money on nothing. So right here, that's all I'm doing, really slicking back my hair. And now we're just gonna go one step further, just to really, you know, complete the vibe. We're gonna go ahead and apply some temporary tattoos to the neck and chest to really give me that, you know, like I'm a Joker. I'm about to slit your neck off. Even though tattoos don't do that to you, but I mean, you know, it just makes me look a little tougher. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little glam Joker look. I honestly enjoyed making it for you guys, and I just wanted to let you guys know I did do a collab video with one of my cool friends. His name is Vino Song. We went ahead and went to the strip and did a touching hand prank going up the escalator, so it's really a funny video, so you guys should definitely go check it out. He just posted it today, so I'll definitely leave that in the links down below, so definitely check him out. Go give him some love, hit that subscribe button, go give that share, and yeah, thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I hope I see you on my next one. Bye, guys.